Are you ready to create the space of your dreams but aren't quite sure where to start? When it comes to transforming your living space, it's all about finding a company with both experience and the expertise to help bring your vision to life.
We are Devin and Rhonda. We are the owners of DRDESI. We are a fully licensed general contractor, both for residential and commercial, and an interior design firm. We're a family-run business. We started just Rhonda and I. Over the years, our kids have worked for us several times. My father worked with us for a couple of years. We typically do large-scale residential remodels.
We will do a bathroom or a kitchen, a standalone project, if it's a good fit for us and the client.
Being fortunate to live in Arizona 75% of the year, it's beautiful. We open up the doors, the windows, from the mountains all the way down to the valley floor, a lot of different types of inspiration. Clients typically reach out to us because we're both a general contractor and an interior design firm.
We're constantly in communication. We know exactly what's going on with each project. So we've created that one-stop shop for people, and so far it's worked very well.
It's important to first design, plan, and then remodel. DRDESI guides you every step of the way to ensure that your project runs as smoothly as possible.
The process typically starts with the client reaching out. Rhonda will schedule a time to actually talk to them on the phone, and then she will schedule a time to go to the space and actually get eyes on it. From there, put together a proposal, and if things look good, from that point, design starts immediately. Homeowners, when they're looking for a contractor to work with, they should really start by looking and researching contractors before collecting a bunch of different bids. The common misconception is get 5-6 different bids, and then we'll just kind of put everybody in a bidding war against each other. So looking for a general contractor and making sure that everyone is a good fit prior to even starting a project or getting proposals. Because working so closely together for 4 to 6 months, everyone has to really mesh personality-wise.
Remodeling and renovations can be challenging, it can be difficult. I can relate firsthand and I understand what our clients are going through. Even though a remodel is a huge inconvenience in your life, it's temporary and it's completely worth it in the end when you have a brand new home to move back into. It's very important that the client and the designer's styles mesh. Oftentimes they don't in the beginning, but we work so closely together that the trust comes. And that's basically what it comes down to, is a client just ultimately trusting me as a designer. I love bringing organic elements into my designs, and Arizona has so many beautiful elements that I love to bring in. The greenery, wood elements, different textures, and all that can be done with different tiles, different wallpapers, accessories. I feel very fortunate that we live in such a beautiful state to be able to bring those into my designs. People don't realize what an emotional process design is, and we have to kind of just prepare them for that. Luckily, we work with the client for several months prior to starting construction on a project, so most of the time we've already gained that trust by the time we're at the design stage, and hearing what they want and what their needs are, but also getting them out of their comfort zone. Ultimately, in the end, they're very pleased with that and happy that they went out of that comfort zone. I feel like my designs help people fall in love with their homes again.
Maximizing the most out of every space while transforming rooms into gorgeous and functional areas.
We first came across DRDESI via social media. We had DRDESI do all of the bathrooms in the home, redesign the laundry, and we also had them reconfigure our whole kitchen and great room area. It was less expensive for us to remodel and stay in the home that we loved versus moving somewhere else that we might not have loved quite as much. We are 100% glad that we remodeled instead of moving.
Discover how you can transform your greatest investment into a dream come true.
We're very blessed to be able to work for ourselves, and I believe it shows coming into one of our transformations. We have some pretty cool projects coming up. We're doing a 1,200 square foot addition on a home in Ahwatukee. We are starting our own custom cabinet company. So we're going to use custom cabinets on every one of our projects.
We currently are moving into a new design studio. It is about 3 times the size of our current studio space, so we're really excited.
Want to know more about DRDESI? Visit DRDESIgnaz.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.